Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 11 is updated to a compatible build. This prevents driver or compositor issues. Next, install a reputable animated wallpaper app and grant required permissions during installation. Once done, open the app and choose the first animated file from its gallery or your local folder. Make sure to set the app to run at startup if you want continuous animation. These steps establish a stable baseline so animations play smoothly without interrupting system functions. Now configure the wallpaper for performance and aesthetics. Choose the correct resolution for each display and set a reasonable frame rate to balance smoothness with CPU/GPU load. Enable hardware acceleration if available. This offloads rendering and prevents stutter. Use the app's options to pause animations during full-screen apps or games and assign different backgrounds to multiple monitors. Finally, tweak loop and audio sync so sound-reactive wallpapers align with media. These adjustments keep the desktop responsive while preserving visual fidelity. Finish by saving your wallpaper layout and testing startup behavior with a quick reboot to ensure the app launches automatically. If you notice high CPU or GPU usage, lower the frame rate, disable unnecessary effects, or switch to a static image profile for battery savings. Should the wallpaper fail to load, check the app's logs and Windows Event Viewer for permission or driver errors. Update graphics drivers and regrant background permissions if needed. This final pass secures consistent behavior and gives you a clear troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.